Hey friends, if you wish to fix JavaScript void 0 error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So, here's the thing. Here's what you need to understand. If it occurs on your browser, then the browser has JavaScript enabled by default unless you're using a very unknown browser. So, here's what we'll do. We'll open Chrome as a sample browser. It could be any browser for that matter, but Chrome is more popular, so we'll use it. Now click on these three dots at the top right corner, scroll down, select settings, click on got it, click on reset settings to the original defaults, reset it. Okay, close it, search for Chrome, open it. Okay, if this helps, well and good. If not, straight away click on these three dots here, history once again, and then delete browsing data, and then delete from this device. Okay, this will fix your problem. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.